Here we have three functions, f of x, g of x, and h of x. The functions f, g, and h are different as shown. If f of x times g of x negative h of x equals to ax square positive bx positive c, where a, b, and c are constants, what is the value of b? Our aim is to find the value of b we have over here. Okay, now let's take this equation. In this equation for f of x, this is the stuff we have, and for g of x, we have the stuff over here. And for h of x, we have 5x positive 6. Let me plug in these stuff for f of x, g of x, and h of x over here in this equation. Then we have 2x positive 3 times 7x negative 2 negative for h of x we have 5x positive 6 equals to ax square positive bx positive c. We can multiply these two binomials using FOIL method. That is, we have to multiply the first terms of 2x times 7x is 14x square. Now we have to multiply the outer terms, that is 2x and negative 2. When I multiply 2x and negative 2, I am getting negative 4x. Now let's multiply the inner terms, positive 3 and positive 7x is positive 21x. Now let's multiply the last terms, positive 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. We can distribute this negative sign to 5x and positive 6. Then I'm getting negative 5x and negative 6. On the right side, we have ax square positive bx positive c. Okay, 14x square. Now let's combine the like terms over here. All these three terms contain x. When I combine negative 4x and negative 5x, I'm getting negative 9x. When I combine negative 9x and positive 21x, I'm getting positive 12x. Okay, here when I combine negative 6 and negative 6, I'm getting negative 12. On the right side, we have ax square, positive bx, positive c. Now, two expressions are equal. Whenever two expressions are equal, the coefficients of like terms must be equal. Let's consider the coefficient of x on the left side, that is 12. Consider the coefficient of x on the right side, that is b. So this 12 and b must be equal. Here I got the value of b. The value of b is 12. I find 12 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.